Hello guys, so I haven't posted a tutorial in a while, but today I want to show you how to do this text right here. That's the text that I'm going to show you because I've always wanted to know how to do that, and when I finally learned it, I was like, oh, it's really, really simple. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. So you can do this on, you need Video Star, but for this I'm using CapCut and Video Star, but I guess you could use any app for your text. So all you got to do is like a simple background, whatever format you want to do. I prefer to use this format, and then you can like say if you wanted a character's name or something. So I'm just going to put example there, and then I'm going to save it. Once you've saved it, you're then going to go into Video Star, and then you can press edit video, and then you're going to import the video that you just made your text with, and then you're going to go to new, re-effect, and then you're going to type in turbulence. It can be any of those. I use turbulence 2. So obviously you can change the speed how you like it. So I'm going to put it like that. And then there you have it. Simple text. And now I'm going to show you how to put it on an edit, just in case you guys are confused on how to do that. So let me just get a photo up. I'll just get this photo of Wanda. You know, and say it's like an edit. You're going to go overlay, add overlay. Then you're going to add your example text. And then you will do splice and filter. And there you go. You've got your text. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what other tutorials you guys would like me to try and do. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.